everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Christina and today I have my Boxycharm unboxing, finally. This sucker showed up so freaking late. I got an email on May 10th that it had shipped and it arrived today. Typically I try to do a try on. I didn't really have that many things to try on. The last couple boxes I haven't really had much to try on for you guys. I did use a couple of the items from the box today. Both of them worked fine, but I'm generally underwhelmed, and I said in my last video that this would be the box that would decide whether or not I keep this for now. A lot of you guys know me and my husband are military, or my husband is military, I'm a military spouse. We're due to move in about 3 months, so I'm trying to save as much money as possible because we are wanting to buy a house. Also, it just gets really complicated when you have boxes like this coming every month and you're moving, so I'm probably going to cancel this. So I think this is going to be my last Boxycharm for a while, at least until we move, and then maybe I will resubscribe. Maybe it will get better. The last couple boxes I haven't been very happy with. I have already canceled my Boxycharm Luxe, which that's the quarterly box, so I think this is going to be my last Boxycharm unboxing for a while. Don't be too discouraged. A lot of you guys have been saying you missed my Harry Potter subscription box unboxings. I did go ahead and order the new LitJoy crate. That one should be coming in August, hopefully. That should be when we're in our new place already, so that's very exciting. I'm hoping it comes before that, just because, again, that's another thing I have to kind of coordinate with the move. And I'm also thinking about re-subscribing to my Geek Gear boxes. So if you guys want to see more Harry Potter boxes, definitely give this video a thumbs up so I know. Also, leave it down in the comments if you would like to see that instead of getting these. I just think I need a little bit of a break from Boxycharm. I don't really enjoy getting some of the products anymore, and I think it's still really good value, but I don't really enjoy it right now. So before I jump into the entire box and everything that I received in mine, definitely make sure to hit that subscribe button. I do typically upload on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard. Don't want you guys to miss out on any of my videos if these are interesting to you. I do a lot of project panning. I do really like Harry Potter, so there's a lot of that as well, or I'm trying to bring more of that. So definitely hit that button and let's get into today's video. So my first grievance with this box is not only was it late, like I said, but I got no card. I don't know what the theme was supposed to be this month. I guess I can go look at their Instagram, but I don't want to. Okay, I'll do it. I'm gonna stop being lazy. I'll look and see what the theme was supposed to be. I didn't get a card that even tells me, so I don't know the value of anything unless I want to look every single item up, and I don't really know why they put it in the box. Usually they give descriptions. That's my first complaint, was there's no postcard. Also, my box feels like it's falling apart, like someone threw it into the abyss. So the theme is supposed to be Mother Nature. Okay. So the theme is supposed to be Mother Nature. I saw some of the sneak peeks on their Instagram. I know a lot of people got the Tarte micellar water, which I was kind of hoping I would get. I did not get that. But let's get into the items that I did receive. So instead of the micellar water from Tarte, I ended up getting the Ayam Beauty Care Dead Sea Mineral and Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. I don't really use makeup remover wipes because I just find them very, very wasteful. I use a makeup removing balm to remove my makeup, so these probably won't get used by me. I'm thinking about throwing this in my giveaway box. I'm probably going to be doing a giveaway before I move, so be on the lookout for that. Wasn't sure if I wanted to do a giveaway before I move or when I hit 10K. They may coincide, so we'll see how that goes. These do sound really nice. Like, the idea of this being a Dead Sea Mineral and Vitamin C Serum kind of remover sounds nice, but like at the same time it seems like a waste because you would use a makeup remover to remove your makeup, and then I would always recommend to cleanse your face. So even if there's vitamin C in this, I don't know if you're gonna get any benefits from it because you shouldn't leave this on your skin. Unless you're using these like in the morning when you first wake up, maybe then I could see it. I don't know what it says. Again, I didn't get the card, so I don't know what it says. It just says on the back, our Dead Sea Minerals and Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes help prevent dark spots. Yeah, but that would literally only work if you use this on clean skin already. So that just seems more wasteful to me. Again, they seem really nice. Makeup remover wipes just aren't for me. And again, I don't know how much it cost. Again, I could look everything up, and I may do that. I'll just put the price at the bottom of the screen for you because I don't feel like doing that while I'm filming, but I will look it up once I'm editing and I'll put it down there for you guys. Next thing that I got was from Daily Concepts, and this is a shampoo bar. Now this is actually fitting for me. I've recently gone from using shampoo in bottles to using shampoo bars, so this is actually really, really nice. This is plant-based and vegan, and it's just like a little shampoo bar. I think it's on like a string too, which is kind of convenient. I don't really need it to be, I'm not gonna try and unfurl it. It is on a string, so I think you can hang it in the shower. I don't really need that. I have one of the Lush tins for this. It feels really, in comparison to the two Lush's shampoo bars, this one feels a lot more like moisturizing. It almost feels like a solid lotion that is just like congealed almost, but we'll see how this goes. This is basically what I've been using. It's a lot less packaging and they tend to last just as long. My only issue with shampoo bars is some of them do disintegrate faster than others, so I'll be interested to see if I can get a lot of uses out of this because it just feels very, very soft, but we will see. It's rich in avocado oil, which is probably why it is so like soft, but I'm happy about this just because this fits my lifestyle, but I don't see this being something everyone likes because they are something you have to kind of get used to, and to just have a shampoo bar thrown at you, it's like, whoa. I don't see everyone loving this. I'm okay with it because again, this is what I've been doing, so I'm glad I got this. Next thing I got is another eyeshadow palette, which I don't understand because I've said in my little personal quiz thing that I didn't want any eyeshadow palettes. They've sent so many over the years, and this is from Studio Makeup. This is the Easy to Wear eyeshadow palette, and it's just a very neutral based palette. This is something you guys know, if you watch my collection videos, if you watch my Pan That Eyeshadow series, I don't need this at all. I have this color scheme 100 times over. So this was also going to be going in a giveaway later on, so be on the lookout again for that. Again, that's like 2 things out of the 5 that I'm not even gonna use, so that's unfortunate. It's even more unfortunate because I know I've said that I don't want eyeshadow palette, so it sucks that I had to get one. I don't know if this was mandatory in all the boxes and everyone got this, but I don't need it. So the next product is from Glamglow. This is one of the products that I ended up trying. I just tried it. It didn't have a safety seal on like the inside. I don't know if it was supposed to, but I was like, you know, I don't really feel like trying to ship this out to someone because it doesn't have a seal on it, and the lid coming off of this, I'm surprised it didn't come off in my box. So I was like, I'll just go ahead and try it. Might as well just use it up since I already have it in my possession. I tried this, it was really nice. It felt good. It's a probiotic mask. It goes on, you wipe it off, and then you rub it into your skin, and it just soothes and moisturizes your skin. It's nice. It smells like yogurt. No real complaints. Glamglow is a good brand. I used them a lot before I went cruelty-free. This is probably in the $40 to $50 range, so this is a very hefty price to get in one of these boxes. Glamglow has come in boxes before, so it's not something I'm too surprised to see, but it is nice if you're looking at the value of everything. I think this probably retails for, if it's like the other masks, around $55. And then the last thing I received was an eyeshadow primer, and this is really the only makeup product that I got in here that I could try, and it's this little guy. It's just an eyeshadow primer. It's okay from what I can tell. I never know with eyeshadow primers. Typically I just use a foundation and I don't really have issues with it as long as I put a powder over it. This was, like most eyeshadow primers, a little sticky. I don't really think it helped even out my lid color at all, as you guys can see in the application pics or application videos. Sometimes I like to wear eyeshadow primer just to even out my eyelid without putting on a heavy concealer or a heavy foundation. This is also a little sticky on the lid, so I feel like that's what helps shadows stick to it. But at the same time, it made it really hard for me to blend some of my shadows today. I think my look came out okay. Nothing's creasing yet, but at this point I wouldn't have creasing anyways, so it's hard to tell. I'll see throughout the day how I feel about it. I'll probably end up using this regardless though, because I can always use an eyeshadow primer. I probably won't go through it very quickly, but we'll see. Maybe I'll end up learning to love it a little bit more. And that, guys, was everything I got in my box. Like I said, I'm a little underwhelmed and I just don't feel like I need these boxes right now. I feel like I've gotten in a really good groove of buying what I need and just using my own products. So I think this will be my last Boxycharm for a little bit, and hopefully you guys aren't too bummed about that. But I think a little bit of a break. Like I said, once I move officially in August and all of that is settled, I will probably resubscribe after that, because we're not doing like a small move, we're moving across country again, so this is another big move and it just makes it a lot easier for me. But I hope you guys understand, and let me know how you guys are feeling about Boxycharm. Are you keeping yours? Have you canceled? Have you been canceled for a long time? What are your overall thoughts? Leave them down in the comments for me. And thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up down below. Also make sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and hopefully that means I see all of you guys in my next video. Bye!